Teaching today is tough. Now you want to leave the classroom, but you find out you cannot because of reasons personal to you. Now, whether financial or contractual, you just cannot leave. But what if I told you that if you spend your spare time doing these 3 things, you'll earn enough money to create an exit strategy that you dismiss yourself rather than your students? What's up, everyone? Welcome for the first time. We're back to another Deshaun Johnson video where I help teachers and writers use the internet to make more money to earn their time back. Now, I've been teaching since 2014. I left a year to work as a web designer. Then I returned back to the classroom in 2020 because, well, if I'm honest, I missed it. Since 2016, I've built 3 YouTube channels, a Teachers Pay Teachers store, made courses, taught VIP kids online, and other things that have earned me additional coins on the internet. Now, I'm passionate about helping teachers who feel like they're stuck where they are at it as the school system just continuously worsens. But in my online endeavors, I want to provide direction where you do not have to have a slow start, but come out the gate swinging, boom, 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 to begin building an education empire that you own and control. So when things hit the fan and you're ready to leave your profession, you have an exit plan to do just that. All right, suggestion number 1 is that you build a Teachers Pay Teachers store. And here's the reason why. This is the main reason why you need to do this. Before you even think about starting a YouTube channel, you want to have something to sell from the beginning. I can't stress that enough. Now, many people may suggest to you to wait until you have an established audience on a platform such as YouTube, but I'm telling you to go the exact opposite direction. Now, YouTube is a wonderful marketing funnel and should be treated as such, not as a sole income earner for you. If you want to hit the ground running, then start indirectly selling the product from the beginning. If you do not know what to build for your TPT account, then let me share my story of how I made a decision on what to sell on my store. I had my TPT account since 2014, but did not know exactly what to sell on it. Now, it wasn't until 2017 where I was at a school district where we did the standardized testing blitz, and then they asked me to teach English even though I was a technology teacher. Now, the students I had for the standardized testing blitz were struggling readers and they needed accommodations to just help them move forward. So instead of having to read aloud for multiple class periods, what I basically did was I went home, I recorded audio. All right, I recorded the audio one time and then I replayed it back to the students for 8 class periods, because in middle school we have 8 class periods. Now, in addition to the recordings that I did, I made question worksheets through Google Forms, and then voila, I had this light bulb moment. Long story short, I basically packaged everything together under the Last Minute Lessons Reading and Audio Series name, and then the rest is history. Now, I've been making online sales ever since 2017. And that package included the Google Forms that I actually made, whether in PDF form or in digital format, the classic stories that were public domain, and the MP3 audio files that went along with those stories. Here's the whole of the matter. Take what you already are doing or find the pain point that you have addressed with students and see how you can package that all up. That's what helped me to make a decision on what to sell on TPT. That's the angle that I actually took. Now, suggestion number 2 is to start writing on Medium.com. Now, Medium is a website made by the co-founder of Twitter, Ev Williams, who wanted to basically go beyond the 256 character limit in a nutshell. So he made a site where the writers are the product and the readers are the customers. And usually, most of the readers that's on Medium.com are just other writers. Now, how this is going to benefit you as an English teacher is you can start writing articles without the hassle of trying to build your own website. And all you really need to do is create an account, and then you can just begin writing on the platform. On Medium today in 2022, you have to have 100 followers before you can start getting paid through their partner program. Now, you can join their partner program for $5 a month to read an unlimited amount of articles, which will help you understand how the writers on the site write their articles and what the readers are looking for. But you cannot go on there just slapping ads and just going nuts with affiliate links on their site. You'll get penalized for that. It's important to study their terms of service when it comes to this. Now, you can write articles and place related links that's embedded within your articles that do not interfere with the flow of the message, but you can also begin to build an email list just by using Medium, directing the reader to your link, to your opt-in link at the bottom of the article. This is a game changer, and at no cost to you, you can begin to develop a lifeline for your business. Now, my final suggestion, and this is a huge one, is that you must absolutely build a YouTube channel. Now, I have this channel set up moving forward to feed into my Medium account, and then my Medium account to feed into my YouTube channel. And I'll explain that more in depth in the course link below. In my opinion, YouTube allows its creators to have a reach that's unmatched compared to others. Now, people who have joined my mailing list and bought products from me did so because of the content. Now, here's what I want to advise regarding how you make your videos. Do not waste your time doing vlog style videos. If you're going to follow my guidance, as in through this video and other videos that I'm making, then the money is in making the help content, the actual educational content. Now, you want to make videos that will provide solutions to many problems you know in education, but you also need to figure out how to align your TPT store with your videos. You want to sell without selling, and that's a skill to come in time with the more videos that you actually make. Heck, you don't even have to put your face on camera. The reason I even suggest that you start writing on Medium is because you can convert your articles actually into faceless videos. Now, if you want to put your face on camera, then they could be treated as just scripts. Maybe as an English teacher, you write about the problems with kids getting to read and what you have done differently to solve those reading deficits. What creative angle have you taken? You could share that in video form. And then from there, you could take what you have written, the solution, and utilize it for YouTube. In my 10X Writer course, soon to be released, I talk about that more in depth. Now, in the description below, there's a tiny URL link you should be clicking on to discover how to set up your YouTube channel to beef up your money-making endeavors online. So the video is over with right now. It should go blurry just about right here at this moment. So go ahead and end this video, go to that link below and get started. Opt into that email link.